So on the list for the next job is something that I didn't even know existed. I don't know how I found it, probably doom scrolling on the internet. It's made by the Geek Shack and it is a gas boot strut kit, which consists of your gas strut, the bracket. You also get the knuckle that fits to your engine lid and 2 new C-clips there as well. Can't really see, but they are in there, and 2 spacers. So attention to detail, the first thing I noticed, the Geek Shack has got a print on the actual strut itself. I think that's a pretty cool touch personally. The bracket is quite well made. Got a nice bend on it, there's no sharp edges. Comes with the knuckle that you fit your strut to. So the purpose of this spacer, I think, is to stop the paint rubbing on the bracket once the bracket is installed. But one thing I do like is the fact that once this bracket is in place, it is literally a perfect fit. Again, attention to detail. Looks pretty easy to fit. We'll talk you through it, show you what it actually does. So let's crack on. So this kit is going to eliminate this noise, which I hate. I just don't like it. First thing you want to do whilst the engine lid is up and the latch is in place is remove these circlips. With those removed, 13mm spanner to remove this bolt on the engine lid itself. That bolt is going to be replaced with this knuckle. What I'm going to do is actually hold the engine lid up with a chock of wood to make life a bit easier, so I can get rid of that. These should just slide off. I'm just going to clean up that area quickly. So with the spacer installed on the bottom, and you need your spacer for the side, I'm going to slide them onto the 2 pins that you took the circlips off. So I can't fit the bottom spacer on mine because I have an earth bolt here which fouls the spacer. This earth bolt shouldn't be here. At some point someone's just welded a bolt to the engine bay. So scrap that off and we're just going to fit it without. As you can see, it slides on nice and easy, nice and snug, exactly how it should be. And now we're going to fight with the 2 circlips. So with the circlips in place, the next is to fit the gas strut. What you need to do, you can't really see on the camera, there's a clip there that needs to come off. So you want to fit your bottom one first, and then fit your top one. So it does require some force to actually compress that strut to get it onto that top knuckle. There might be an easier way of doing it, but I got there in the end. Fit this last pin. There we have it. Works exactly how it should. How much better is that? So at some point I'm going to come back to chopping this bolt off that shouldn't be there so I can get the spacer on. So really happy with this kit. Really easy to fit. Don't need to modify anything. A little bit fiddly with the circlips. Other than that, I'll give it 10 out of 10 Mikeys. Catch you on the next one.